Becoming a household name in sheet metal forming didn't happen overnight. It took decades of getting up early, putting in the work. It meant producing superior machines and tools, sourcing the best raw material possible, sawing, welding, machining, painting, putting it all together, and then testing it again and again until our standards were met. And then pushing ourselves further beyond the finish line to where years of experience meets innovation. To streamline the sheet metal fabricating process, we don't just build tools to stand the test of time. We're building a legacy we can all be proud of. And we're just getting started. Roper Whitney, since 1910.